In an industry that fuels the global economy, excellence and innovation are non-negotiable. At Great Seas Mariners Training and Assessment Center Incorporated, or GSM-TACI, we empower maritime professionals to meet these demands with precision and expertise. Established in 2011 by visionary merchant marine officers, GSM-TACI has grown into a pillar of maritime training and assessment. From our initial accreditation by the Marina STCW office to our comprehensive course offerings today, GSM-TACI has remained committed to raising the standards of maritime excellence. Our facilities are designed to provide an immersive learning experience. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, we ensure our trainees are prepared for the realities of the modern maritime industry. From navigation to engineering, our hands-on approach combines theoretical knowledge with practical application, ensuring competency and confidence in every graduate. Our vision is to remain the leading partner for maritime training and assessment, empowering professionals to navigate an ever-changing industry with skill, confidence, and integrity. We take pride in our role as a trusted partner to shipping principals, manning agencies, and maritime professionals, helping them achieve operational excellence and career growth. Over the past 12 years, GSM-TACI has continually expanded its capabilities, now offering enhanced facilities with additional classrooms and state-of-the-art equipment to accommodate the growing demand for quality maritime training.
Our globally recognized Marina STCW accredited programs cater to every level of maritime operations. Ratings forming part of Engineering Watch or E-Watch, ratings forming part of Navigational Watch or D-Watch, management level courses for deck and engine departments, medical care and emergency first aid training, and passenger ship crisis management and human behavior. These programs are designed to meet international standards, equipping professionals with the skills to excel in a competitive global market. GSM-TACI is also accredited as a Marina Practical Assessment Center, conducting evaluations for seafarers at all levels, including deck and engine officers, ratings, and GMDSS GOC certifications. Operational and management levels for deck and engine, Able Seafarer certification for deck and engine, and GMDSS GOC. In addition to Marina accredited courses, GSM-TACI offers 51 specialized training programs tailored to industry needs. These include marine high voltage operations, ECDIS and radar navigation training, environmental awareness and MARPOL compliance, ship handling and maneuvering simulations, and leadership and management for senior officers. These courses address emerging challenges in maritime operations, from environmental sustainability to technological advancements.
At GSM-TACI, we believe in holistic development. Beyond technical expertise, we focus on fostering leadership, teamwork, and a commitment to safety and sustainability. At GSM-TACI, we're not just shaping maritime professionals, we're shaping the future of the industry. Join us as we navigate toward excellence.